Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our first assignment of the data analytics and visualization using Python. First assignment is data wrangling first. In this assignment, we are going to perform total six operations. That operations are: first operation, import all required Python libraries, and the second is locate an open source data set from the web, which is kaggle.com, provide a clear description of data and its source. Okay, load the dataset into the pandas data frame. Then next one, data pre-processing. In the data pre-processing, we have to perform check for the missing values in the data using pandas is null or describe method to get some initial statistic. Provide the variable description, type of variable, etc. Check the dimensions of the data frame. And then next one, data formatting and data normalization. In the data formatting and normalization, summarize the type of variable by checking the data types, that is a character, numerics, integer, factor, and logical of the variable in the dataset. If the variable are not in the correct data type, apply the proper data type conversion. So next one, turn categorical variable into the quantitative variable in the Python. In addition to the code and output, explain every operations that you do in the above steps and explain everything that you do to import, read, scrap the dataset. Okay, so this is a problem statement of our assignment. So in this problem statement, we will perform all total six operation. For that six operation, we have to import one data set, which is data.csv. We will get that data.csv from this particular website, which is kaggle.com, as well as we can create that data.csv using Excel. This is all about problem statement. So let's see the implementation of this. So first operation, that is import all required Python libraries. So here is first operation, import all required Python libraries. For this operation, we have to import two important libraries, which are pandas and numpy. So here I import two libraries, that is first is pandas and second one is numpy. How to write it? Import pandas as pd. So what is mean by import? What is pandas? What is as? What is pd? So the answer is import is the keyword, which is for, we will get that keyword from the keywords from Python. Okay, so import and as both are the keywords. So we use import keyword to import any of the packages, libraries, etc. So for the importing pandas library, we have to use import keyword. So import pandas as pd. As pd, as is a keyword which is used for the name aliasing of that particular pandas. So as using as, we have given a name to the panda, that is pd. So pd is the name aliasing of pandas, it means a nickname for the pandas. Okay, and then next one is same, import numpy. Numpy is a library which is also a library. So numpy is used for the numerical calculation, we can see here. So numpy is used for the numerical calculation, and pandas, the use of pandas, that is used for the data analysis. So numpy, how to import numpy? Use numpy keyword for the import the numpy library. Numpy is a numerical Python, so numpy is used for the numerical calculations. So same here, we use name aliasing for the numpy as well. So np is the nickname for the numpy. So numpy, we can use np for the further process of numpy operations. Okay, so here is two libraries. Here are two libraries. The libraries are pandas and numpy. So both, we import the both libraries here. So we'll run that cell. So it is completed. Then next one, next operation, describe of data and its source and load the data set into the pandas data frame. It means we have to load our data set into our system. So for that reason we have to use a read underscore csv method, and that read underscore csv method, we will get that read underscore csv method from the pandas. So for that purpose we use pd dot read underscore csv, and in the parenthesis bracket we have to provide the file name. We file name means we have to provide the csv file name here. So that is data dot csv. So this is the process. Df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv of data dot csv. Df, it is a one of the variable, it is used to store the data. Means we are converting that data into the data frame. So that we use here a read underscore csv method. So print that data frame means which is created here. So print that data set. So we will get the data frame here. So see here we have total for 5 columns and multi 10, total 10 rows here. We have data, that is roll number, name, percentage, age and gender. So this is our data.csv file. Total we have that kind of records, that kind of columns. So we will go to the next operation, that pre-processing the data. Okay, pre-processing data formatting. So for that reason, we have to check the total number of records here. We have to learn about the dataset. For that, we will use following methods. First, df dot shape. Df is a data frame, which is df is a data frame, and this is our data frame. So check the shape of that data. Shape, it means it will give us a shape is a attribute of data frame. It will give us a total number of rows and total number of columns from your data set. Okay, so run this cell. So total we have 10 rows and 5 columns. Okay, so if you want to print the columns name, then we can use columns. Okay, run this cell as well. So if you want to read the column name, then we will get all columns using the columns attribute. Okay, so the column name is roll number, name, percentage, age and gender. So next method, df dot head. So using df dot head, we will get the result, that is total 5 records, first 5 records from your data set. Okay, so these are the first 5 records of your data set. Next one, you can provide here a number. You can provide here a number. So I provide here a 2, so that it will print a first 2 record from our data set. Okay, see, first 2 records. Then next one, df.tail. So purpose of the df.tail method, that is print last 5 records from our data set. So you can also provide a number here. It will print a last 2 records from your data set. Okay, so next method is df.info. So using df.info, df.info is a method. So we will get the total information about our data set. For example, you can see here range index range index, it is 10 entries, which is 0 to 9. It means total number of rows. So total number of rows are 10, so which is start from 0 in end with the 9. So next, data columns, total 5. We have total 5 columns, and the columns, this is roll number, name, percentage, age and gender. So the data type of that column, integer. For the roll number, integer 64, name, object, percentage, float 64, then age int 64, and gender object. So in this d types, the total number of record present of that particular data type. So for the float 64, we have only one float 64, we have only one column. Then int 64, we have total two columns, and then for the object we have total two columns. So okay, then memory uses total, it used the 532 plus byte memory for that data set. And then next one, d type, checking the data types of your data types of our column. So run that cell, we will get the result of data type of our column. So roll number in 64, name object, percentage float 64, age and 64, and gender object. So here we will going to convert our name data type into the string data type, because it is a object here. So we will convert it into the string. So how to convert that data type into the another data type? So this is the process. First you have to mention the name of the column. So df, we will collect that data, that column from the data frame, means which is stored in df of square bracket of that name of that column, write the name of that column, then equals to df of same df of name of that column dot as type of string. As type is a method. Okay, as type is a method of data frame which is used to convert the data type into one data type into another data type. Okay, as type is a method which is used for the type conversion. So as this particular column has another have the data type which is object. So here we convert that data type into the string. Okay, so you can check the data type is converted or not. So next method will be dtypes. Again dtype for checking the data type conversion. Okay, see here, name string Python. Okay, so here is the name converted into the string data type. Next method is describe method, which is used for the statistical representation of your numerical data. So you will get the total statistical view of our data set. So it take only the numerical values here. So numerical values in that data, we will get the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, 25 percentile value, 50 percentile value, 75 percentile value, and maximum value of that particular column. Okay, that column should be a numerical. It by default it take the numerical column. So count, we can check here, count total number of count from that roll number 10 is a count here. Percentage column we get the 7 count, then age we get 10 count. Okay, it means in the roll number column where total number of rows are, total number of filled rows are 10, and in the percentage column total number of 7 records are filled. Okay, and the age column total 10 number of records are filled. So next mean, here is the mean of that particular column, means the mean of roll number, that is 5.50000. So this is the mean of roll number. Same, this is 58.14 is the mean for percentage, then 16 is the mean of age. Okay, then standard deviation, this is standard deviation for the particular columns, then minimum value, then 75 percentile values, and 50 percentile values, and 75 percentile values, and the maximum value of our particular column. Okay, then next one, next method which is used to check the missing values from our data set. So which is the method? The method is na. Okay, so is na is a method to check the missing values from our data set. Okay, is na is a method to check the um, missing values of our columns. Okay, then So is NA is used to check the missing values of our column. So it we can run this cell. So run this cell. So we will get the result in a boolean form. So we will get the result here true or false. Means whenever the missing values any missing, if anywhere missing values, if the missing value is here, then it will return the true as a result. And if the missing values is not present in any column, it will return false. Okay. So this is difficult to read if the data set is large. This is difficult to read for the human. So for that purpose we will use the sum method. Some method returns us a total number of missing values from our particular column. Okay, so for a roll number, 0 missing value, name 2 missing values, then percentage 3 missing values, age 0 missing values, and gender 2 missing values. So this is the count of missing values. So we can get a total, we can calculate a total missing values using df dot is ni dot sum method. Okay, so this is a grand total of our missing values. We will get total 7 missing values from our data set. Okay, so this is a df dot fill na, this is a method to fill the missing values. Okay, this is a method df dot fill na, this is a method to fill na of 0. We can insert the values as well. So this is a method to fill the missing values. Okay, so next one is a df dot drop, df dot drop. Using this method, we can drop the missing values from our data set. So drop na is a method to drop the missing values, and then next again write the is na method to check the missing values are deleted or not. Okay, so roll number 0, name 0, percentage 0, age 0, gender 0. So it means there is no any missing values. So next one df dot column. So df dot column, we will get the column names here. Then df dot rename. What is the purpose of rename? Rename is a method to rename our particular column. Okay, so rename is a method of data frame which is used to rename our particular column. So how to remove? Write df dot rename of columns. You have to mention parameter which is columns is equal to, columns is, you can consider column as a dictionary. Okay, columns is equal to curly braces of first, you have to provide the key, and another one is value. So means you have to provide key as a old name of your column and values as a new name of your column. Okay, so I want to rename my roll number column. For that I add here a old roll number column name, then new roll number column name. So here is here I add underscore. So this is a new name of our new name for my roll number column. So run that cell. Okay, you can check the column name again using that particular method, which is df dot columns. Okay, you can run this method. Okay, see roll underscore num, here you can see roll number, then here is roll underscore number. Okay, so roll number, so column name is rename here. Then next one df dot head, you can check here using a data frame. You can run for to check the data frame. So next is, okay, next one is data normalization. For the normalization, we can use a normalization technique. Okay, data normalization means what? Data normalization is the process of rescaling a one or more feature to the range of 0 to 1. Okay, Data normalization is the process of rescaling one or more feature to the range of 0 to 1. It means we have to rescale our data on particular using particular range. So the type of normalization are min max normalization and z score normalization. For yeah, we will use the two important types of normalization, that is mean max, and we can use a standard scalar as well, mean max and standard scalar, for the normalize our data. So first we have to uh, first we have to collect numerical data from our data set first, and then we will apply the normalization technique on our numerical data. For that reason, we create here a numeric is equal to df double square bracket of percentage and age. So here is the name of our columns, that is percentage and age. Both columns are the numerical column. So we write that two column name here, so that that two column will be add into the numeric here, numeric. Then run that cell. So see, percentage and age. Okay, these two columns are present here in the numeric variable. Okay, so this is all about this is half of the assignment. We will continue remaining assignment in the next slot. So thank you for the watching.